The host stands behind a table displaying a forward-facing car seat.
Once a child outgrows the rear-facing car seat, the forward-facing car seat is recommended till at least the age of 5.
Caption: ages 2 to 5, forward-facing car seat.
Avoid these mistakes with forward-facing seats.
Caption: mistake number 1, loose seatbelt installation.
If you can move the seat side to side more than an inch, it's too loose.
The grandmother presses down on the forward-facing convertible car seat, then gently moves it side to side to ensure it is securely installed. Caption: mistake number 2, incorrect harness routing.
The harness straps should be at or above the child's shoulders.
Caption: mistake number 3, harness retainer clip is too low.
And this clip should be level with the child's armpits.
The grandmother slides the harness retainer clip level with her grandchild's armpits. A grandmother with her toddler grandchild sitting on a couch.
Look here.
Yes.
We gotta make it tight.
Oh, good. I gotta make it tight. Okay.
Learn more at Michigan.gov/CarSeats. Logo: Michigan Office of Highway Safety Planning.